The Constitution provides that any committee of Parliament investigating a matter has powers of the High Court. It was the turn of Attorney General Peter Nyombi, the Chief Government Legal Advisor, to appear as witness. The committee is chaired by West Budama South MP Fox Odoi, while Rujumbura MP Major General Jim Mwezi is the lead counsel. The Attorney General told the committee that Parliament acted illegally by accepting questionable documents alleging that his senior cabinet colleagues took bribes from oil farms.
The admission of those documents in the Parliament, Mr. Chairman, was illegal. Should one of the propellers of those documents be found to have propelled them, knowing that they were false, there should be legal recourse against him.
I would like to know, as a member of this committee, whether there is any law in Uganda that protects whistleblowers.
There is an act of Parliament.
And you pronounce before this committee that if this is proven to be wrong, there will be an action taken. Did you mention that while knowing that there is a law that protects whistleblowers?
Tempers flared when the Attorney General insisted that the Prime Minister John Patrick Amama Mbabazi and Internal Affairs Minister Hilary Onek were innocent and should not step aside.
And so Article 116 of the Constitution does not provide for this new creature called stepping aside.
But are you aware that the matter before this committee is purely on whether they went by the resolution of Parliament or not, and therefore contempt of Parliament?
In the case of Honorable Kutesa, Honorable Nasasra, and Honorable Rukutana, did you advise the government that they can step aside?
I have not seen
their
letter.
You are on oath. Did they step aside or did they not?
Mr. Chairman,
Answer.
I'm speaking very clear English. I'm speaking very clear English.
No, I'm
Mr.
asking
Chairman,
you.
I've said I've not seen their letter.
So what I know, say I don't know.
No. You are not going to put words in
You
my
know
mouth.
or you don't know?
You are not going to put words in my mouth.
My
I'm
friend.
going to tell you what I believe.
You have to answer my questions.
If I were in their position, even if 1 million people condemned me, but if I knew I was innocent, I would stand my ground. I wouldn't step aside.
Would you like to confirm this committee that contempt as an offense, contempt as a complaint, does exist and is provided for in the rules?
Mr. Chairman, there are instances of contempt covered by the rules. And I cited an example in the 8th Parliament, I think, when members of Parliament were sent out of Parliament. Yes.
Nyombi touched raw nerves when he told the lawmakers that Mbabazi and his colleagues were only answerable to the president, who is their appointing authority.
Ministers are accountable to the president and not Parliament.
The Constitution says all power belongs to the people. And it provides that Parliament is the representative of the people.
President Yoweri Museveni has previously said that the bribery documents were fake. Agnes Nandutu, NTV, Parliament.